Here she is. That's it, let go. Good girl, there we are, you did it all by yourself. Here's the other speed demon. Oh, oh.
Don't worry about gloves at the end, we'll do it hand. Oh, she's got that glove on. So I'm going to try and go to the top without poles, David. This could be a disaster.
Here she is.
Three. I decided to start like 3-year-olds.
Extreme.
No poles.
I haven't even had a run yet, I've been rescuing people.
I know. I'll come down a bit, you can have a few runs.
Not that.
You go down that bit.
Go on then.
No, you.
No, I'll film you. Here's the boys. Good, look at that. Right, where did Cara go? Oh, she's back down.